Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to another exciting year, hopefully for all of you. I know we're pretty pumped about all the stuff we've got going on here, and my kids started back at school yesterday, which is amazing. For them, a little bit more so for me and Mel, and for all my other fellow parents out there who sending their kids off to school for the first time. It's amazing and it's fantastic. You guys are excited. For those of you that are more like me, where, you know, you're a little bit through the school journey and you're just hanging out to get them back, congratulations, you have your life back again. Really quick update from me today, guys. Just a couple of things I wanted to cover off. We've still got places available for both the Sydney workshop and then the Melbourne workshop coming up later on in the year in April. Sydney's in February, hosted by our good friends at Midwinter. So if anybody wants to come along to that, place is still available. Let me know, reach out. So a lot of you have been asking questions about upgrading to the package that includes either the toolkit or the coaching calls. If you want to know more about that, hit me up. Coaching calls start this Friday, and then we're going to roll them every fortnight. The only ones we're going to miss is where there's school holidays or public holidays. Keep an eye out for that. You've already got an invite if you're in the coaching call group. So we're going to kick off this Friday, which is fantastic. A couple of other things. We've updated our virtual pricing. So behind the scenes, we've been working on getting a really good virtual solution for those of you that love the idea of having a budgeting and cash flow conversation with your clients, but don't really want to do the work yourself or aren't in a position to be able to do it yet. Our amazing team member, Elaine, who's based in the Philippines, and she works for a business called TOA, which is the offshore accountant. And some of you guys might know Nick Sinclair. So this is Nick's business. But Elaine's like a 4th year chartered accountant or CPA. She's amazing. She's been working with us for like 6 months now, becoming a ninja on Xero. Next on the on the list for her is Moneysoft. So, and then after that is My Prosperity and Money Brilliant. So by the end of the year, we want to have the ability to offer you guys virtual services across all 4 platforms. As of the beginning of February, we're going to be offering it for both Xero and for Moneysoft. And then we're hoping to bring My Prosperity online really soon and Money Brilliant around about the same time, hopefully. That's going to be driven by demand by you guys and what platforms you're asking us to become an expert at. Because we're now getting more efficient in this and because we have offshored, it's enabled us to actually bring the cost down. So starting 1st of Feb, if you guys want to use our virtual services for Xero or Moneysoft to begin with, prices will start at $55 per client per month plus the technology. For less than 5 clients, once you get 6 to 10 clients, everybody drops to $44 per month. And then when you get to 10 clients, it drops to $33 per month, which is a pretty sharp rate. And we'd love to be able to help you guys grow your business. Now, long term, you might decide to take the clients back. That's fine. The way we've set it up is all the clients are going to be on your version of Xero or your version of Moneysoft. And we're just effectively doing all the grunt work, but everything's set up with our coding. So Moneysoft is the last thing I'll talk about tonight. We've been working behind the scenes with those guys as well. So shout out to Pete and John and the boys over at Moneysoft. We're going to be launching our own spending coach version of the Moneysoft site in the next week or so, which means it's automatically got all of the spending coach layouts, all of our category mapping, all of our reporting, all of the methodology around how transactions get coded. It's all set up. So if you want to use Moneysoft, it's the exact same cost as using the normal site. It's just already set up like it's a spending coach platform. So give me a call, send me an email, steve@yscproacademy.com.au. Hit us up in the Facey group and love to talk to you about that. There's some other stuff happening behind the scenes, conversations with ASIC and whether or not mortgage offset accounts are financial products and therefore statements of advice or no statements of advice. I'm working with the AFA and Phil Anderson to help try and get more clarity on that, and that conversation is progressing, which is promising. The other thing is I'm working a lot closer with licensees and aggregators. So if you'd like to know whether or not I'm working with your licensee, or you'd like me to have a conversation with your licensee or aggregator, either with you or on your behalf, again, let me know. Guys, that's all for now. I'll be in touch again soon. Have a fantastic February, and bye for now.